emotional content.
Welcome back, everybody. We got one of the 7 bone-in ribeyes we just took out of the meat locker. Right on 41 days, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it up. We're gonna cut her in half first. See how this bad boy looks inside. Look how nice that looks, huh? 41 days, 7 bone-in ribeye, baby, dry aged. Smell, this never gets old. All right, we're gonna cut one steak off first. Because we like some big. One. This never gets old.
Don't think, feel. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon.
All right, YouTube. Now I got the camera. This is my buddy Chuck. This is his piece that I dry aged for him. Now he's gonna go ahead and give it a shot. He's gonna cut his first steak. Go ahead, Chuck.
Stay next to the chime bone.
It's tough, isn't it? That outer pellicle can be a bitch sometimes. Oh, and I just swore on YouTube. Uh-oh. See where your knife went? Like that? You see that little ledge there? You just have to be careful next time you do a complete swipe under it. But other than that, man, very good for your first time. Man, look how beautiful that is. He's excited about it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna trim one of these up.
Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory.
Teaching is always good. You just want to go down until you feel soft, that's all. Okay, stop a second. Put the steak down flat. Yeah. And then remember how I did it? Okay, just go down into. See how easier it is? Just don't take too much off now. See how you want a little chunkier on that bottom there?
Yeah.
Just be careful. Easier for you to use a smaller knife?
Maybe.
Try it. See, everything is a learning process, guys. You'll get it. This is his first time doing it. a pretty good job for his first time. Check it out. That's a good looking steak. Oh, what do we got over here? Oh, taste test. Oh, look at that.
When you just ease the burden of your mind, you just do it. That's it.
Look at that crust, baby. Yeah, boy. Look at this crust. That's a crust right there. That's what you achieve when you hit it with the cast iron skillet, baby. Just wanted to show you guys quick, this is what we got. That 7-bone ribeye plus our one that we are going to be eating in a few minutes here. So. All right, I'm going to show you guys how I trim mine once again. Start over here on the backbone. Take it off like so. There's that side done. Come over here to the tail. Put that one at an angle a little bit. This part off. Keep that on. Come over here. Just down until you get the soft. There you go. There's your trimmed ribeye. See how beautiful that is?
Nice.
That's heaven right there. Heaven. If you guys like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. If you hit that bell, you get to see all my videos every time I post them. All right, everybody. Cheers. Love you.
Let's just put it this way. I have no fear of opponent in front of me. That I am very self-sufficient. That they do not bother me.